You know, in the absolutely wild world of crypto, we spend so much time obsessing over when to buy. But honestly, the real question, the one that can make or break your entire portfolio, is knowing when to sell. So today, we're going to crack open the playbook on how to take profits like a pro by scaling out gradually.
Okay, picture this. You did it. You picked a winner. Your investment is absolutely soaring. The chart is that beautiful, beautiful shade of green, and your heart is just pounding. This is the dream, right? But it's also a moment of complete and total paralysis. What do? Do you sell? Do you hold? I mean, what is the right move?
For most of us, this moment boils down to a really tough emotional choice. It's like you're at a fork in the road. On one side, you've got fear. You panic sell everything just to lock in those gains, terrified of losing them. But then you risk missing out on an even bigger rocket ship to the moon. And on the other side? Oh, that's pure greed. You hold on, you're dreaming of mansions and Lambos, and you risk watching all of it just evaporate in a flash correction. But what if there was a way out of this trap? A third option that lets you just walk right down the middle, navigating between fear and greed? Well, there is. And it's the path that seasoned investors take to stay calm and, more importantly, consistently profitable. It's called scaling out gradually. And look, it is as simple and smart as it sounds. Instead of making one massive, super stressful decision, you make a series of smaller, pre-planned sales. The goal here is simple. You're creating a system that lets you secure your profits while still keeping some skin in the game for that incredible long-term growth we're all looking for.
So how does this actually work in practice? It's surprisingly simple, really. We can break it down into a really clear 3-step exit plan that literally anyone can follow.
Okay, here's the playbook. Step 1, your investment hits a 20% gain. Boom, you sell just 25% of your position. That immediately locks in some profit and, trust me, it gives you some serious peace of mind. Then, if it keeps running to a 40% gain, you sell another 25%. Now you've secured a solid return no matter what happens next. And step 3, this is the fun part. You let that final 50% ride. That's your moonshot money.
So the end result is this perfectly balanced position. You've taken real, actual profit off the table, protecting yourself from any sudden drops, but, and this is key, you still have half of your investment in the game, totally ready to capture that explosive upside if it keeps on going. You're basically prepared for anything.
And this really gets to the heart of why this strategy is so incredibly powerful. It's not just about the numbers on the screen. It's about mastering your own psychology. It's about making that crucial shift from reacting emotionally to executing logically. There's a quote that just nails this idea perfectly. You're not reacting, you're executing a plan. Just think about that for a second. While everyone else is emotionally responding to the market's chaos, you're just calmly following the rules that you set for yourself when you were thinking clearly. You are in control. And the mental benefits here are huge. First off, there's no more guesswork, no more of that, should I sell now? Anxiety. That emotional stress just kind of melts away because the decision, it's already been made. This gives you this incredible peace of mind. And most importantly, it helps you avoid those catastrophic, costly mistakes that are born from panic or, just pure euphoria. Ultimately, all of this leads to a really profound shift in how you see the market. It fosters a win-win mindset, which is, it's the absolute core of brilliant risk management. And this is what that win-win scenario looks like. It's just beautiful. If the market suddenly takes a nosedive, no problem. You've already banked profits. You won. And if it continues to surge higher, fantastic. Your remaining 50% is capturing all of that upside. You literally win either way. So the crucial takeaway here is this. This strategy forces you to adopt a long-term perspective. It's such a powerful reminder that successful investing isn't about getting rich on one single lucky trade. It's about staying in the game, managing your risk, and consistently making smart decisions over time. It really is a marathon, not a sprint. So let's just end on this thought. The next time you're staring at a screen full of green and you feel that pull, that tug of war between hitting sell all or just holding on for dear life, just pause. Take a breath and ask yourself, wouldn't it be smarter, calmer, and in the long run, way more profitable to just scale out? Yeah, your future self is definitely going to thank you for it.